She was already on the couch, eyes distant, hands restless, like she knew the storm was coming. Riley walked in. No shouting. The silence between them said enough. Lena had spoken to them again, the ones who judged, who whispered. She'd promised not to. But fear is louder than promises. Riley sat beside her, hurt, tired, but still in love. Lena tried to explain, and their eyes finally met again. In that moment, love spoke louder than pain. Their fingers reached across the space, not to say sorry, but to say we're still here. Because love heals, love holds, and when it's real, it's forever.
Yes.